Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be making a fantastic muffin recipe using jackfruit and coconut. It's easy to prepare and these combinations are so good. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's get started. Let's check out the ingredients for this recipe. Here I've got a cup of fresh jackfruit. Add it to a blender, grind into a smooth paste and keep it aside. Into a mixing bowl, I'm adding 2 eggs. Add 1/3 cup of organic sugar or palm sugar. Whisk well until fluffy. To this I'm adding 1/4 cup of thick fresh coconut milk. Whisk these ingredients until well combined. I'm adding the ground jackfruit pulp. Mix the ingredients well to get it incorporated. Now let's add the dry ingredients. To a sieve, I'm adding a cup of plain flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt. Now let's sieve this. Gently combine everything well. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, mix well. This is 2 tablespoons of chopped jackfruit. You will enjoy when you bite into it. I've lined the cupcake tray with some muffin liners. Fill the liners to about 3/4. Do not overfill them. Batter consistency should not be very thick or runny. Adding some jackfruit strips on top. Sprinkling some desiccated coconut. This will give a nice aroma to the muffin. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Our muffins are done. Smells so good. Transfer it to a wire rack. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Do try this jackfruit coconut muffins at home and share this recipe with your family and friends. Also, share your thoughts about this recipe in the comment section below. If you like this video, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more recipes, click on the left to check out my previous video. On the right, my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.